Choosing the wrong Ring doorbell could cost you more than money. It could cost your home security. Some models look identical but perform very differently in real life. Today, I'm ranking the best Ring doorbells you can buy, revealing the hidden flaws and helping you avoid a very expensive mistake. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro is engineered for those who want top-tier security with advanced technology and continuous protection. Featuring stunning Retinal 4K video, this doorbell delivers exceptional clarity, allowing you to see faces, packages, and important details with impressive sharpness. When something happens farther away, the 10x enhanced zoom helps you focus on critical moments without losing image quality. With live view and two-way talk with Audio Plus, you can see, hear, and speak to visitors instantly from your phone, giving you greater control whether you're home or away. Its intelligent 3D motion detection provides highly accurate alerts by pinpointing exactly where movement occurs on your property, helping reduce unnecessary notifications. The camera also excels in challenging lighting conditions thanks to low-light sight, which produces true color video with minimal ambient light and switches to detailed black and white footage in complete darkness. For even faster awareness, video descriptions send notifications that summarize what's happening so you can quickly understand the situation at a glance, though a compatible Ring subscription is required for this feature. Designed for non-stop performance, the hardwired setup ensures constant power without the need for recharging. Available in several premium finishes, the Wired Doorbell Pro blends powerful security with a refined look that complements your home or business exterior. The Ring Battery Doorbell Pro is designed to deliver smarter, more complete home or business security with features that go far beyond a traditional doorbell camera. It records in sharp 1536p HD+ resolution with a head-to-toe view, allowing you to see more of what's happening at your doorstep, from visitors to package deliveries, without blind spots. Using live view and two-way talk with Audio Plus, you can see, hear, and speak to anyone in real time, whether you're at home or away. One of its standout features is advanced 3D motion detection, which sends accurate alerts directly to your phone and even shows an overhead map of where motion occurred, helping reduce unnecessary notifications. For added awareness, person and package alerts notify you the moment someone arrives or a delivery is placed within your chosen zone, though a Ring Protect subscription is required for these advanced alerts. The camera also performs impressively in challenging lighting conditions. With low-light sight, it produces true color video when minimal ambient light is available and automatically switches to crisp black and white footage in complete darkness to preserve detail. Powering the device is simple, thanks to the quick-release battery pack, making recharging fast and convenient. Plus, seamless Alexa integration allows you to hear announcements, view live footage on Echo devices, and enjoy hands-free monitoring for a smarter, more connected security setup. The newest Ring Battery Doorbell is built to provide reliable security for both homes and businesses, while keeping installation simple and user-friendly. This updated version improves visibility with head-to-toe video, offering 66% more vertical coverage, so you can clearly see visitors, packages, and activity happening right at your doorstep. Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, live view combined with two-way talk lets you see, hear, and respond to anyone in real time directly from your smartphone. The device features a built-in battery that recharges easily through a modern USB-C port. Just detach the doorbell, plug it in with the included cable, and you're ready to go again without complicated wiring. Setup is equally straightforward. Charge it, click it into place, and stay connected within minutes. You'll also receive instant mobile alerts whenever motion is detected, helping you stay aware of unexpected activity. For deeper insights, optional smart alerts can notify you when a person or package is detected, while a compatible Ring Protect subscription allows you to review past events and access AI-powered notifications. Additionally, seamless Alexa integration enhances convenience by enabling custom announcements, live video on Echo Show devices, and hands-free monitoring, making this doorbell a smart and practical upgrade for everyday security needs. The Ring Video Wired Doorbell is a practical choice for anyone seeking dependable front door security with consistent performance. Capturing clear HD video, it allows you to monitor your home or business with confidence while staying connected through built-in two-way talk. Whether you're across the house or away for the day, you can see, hear, and respond to visitors instantly from your smartphone. Advanced motion detection adds another layer of awareness by alerting you when someone approaches your door, even before they press the doorbell, helping you stay one step ahead of unexpected activity. Real-time notifications are sent directly to your phone, ensuring you never miss an important moment. For in-home audio alerts, you can pair the device with a Ring chime, a compatible Alexa device, or choose a bundle that includes a chime, since this model does not activate an existing doorbell sound. Night vision with sharp contrast keeps footage detailed even after dark, maintaining reliable visibility around the clock. Powered through your existing doorbell wiring, the device delivers continuous protection without worrying about battery life. With an optional Ring Protect subscription, you can review past events and receive smarter alerts, while Alexa integration enables hands-free monitoring for a more convenient and connected security experience. The Ring Wired Doorbell Elite is built for users who want professional-grade security with advanced connectivity and premium performance. Delivering stunning retinal 4K video, this doorbell captures your property with exceptional clarity so you can easily identify faces, packages, and important activity. When details matter most, the 10x enhanced zoom allows you to focus on distant objects without sacrificing image quality. One of its standout advantages is native power over Ethernet, which provides both power and data through a single cable for nonstop operation and consistently smooth video without common Wi-Fi interruptions. Designed with larger homes and gated properties in mind, the remote gate access feature lets you use the device as an intercom system, giving you the ability to communicate with visitors and control entry directly from the Ring app. Intelligent 3D motion detection further improves accuracy by pinpointing exactly where movement occurs, helping reduce unnecessary alerts. The camera also performs reliably in challenging lighting thanks to low-light sight, producing true color footage with minimal ambient light and switching to sharp black and white video in complete darkness. Additionally, video descriptions provide quick notification summaries so you immediately understand what's happening, though a compatible Ring subscription is required. Overall, the Wired Doorbell Elite combines enterprise-level reliability with powerful smart features for comprehensive property protection.